So I'm going to teach you how to find cheap cars for your Turo rental car business using Facebook Marketplace. If you're looking to get started in the Turo rental market, but you're concerned about the investment involved in acquiring vehicles, you're in the right place. Facebook Marketplace is a great resource for finding budget-friendly vehicles, and I'll guide you through the process of using this platform effectively. First, let's navigate to Facebook Marketplace. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you will type in specific car models that have a good track record on Turo, such as the Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic. These vehicles are known for their reliability and cost-effectiveness, making them excellent choices for rental purposes. By starting with specific models, you'll have a clearer focus, allowing you to efficiently sift through available options without being overwhelmed by listings. Once you've entered a search term, it's essential to set some filters to narrow down your options. Begin by setting a price range that aligns with your budget. This will ensure you're only considering vehicles you can afford without compromising on quality. Next, focus on the vehicle condition and specify used. This helps to eliminate any new car listings that might exceed your budget for this purpose. In addition to that, consider the year and mileage of the cars. Choosing a reasonable range here is crucial, as it will help you find a balance between price and vehicle reliability. You'll want a car that's not too old and doesn't have excessive mileage, as these factors greatly affect the vehicle's performance and maintenance needs over time. Another important aspect is location. Start by looking in your immediate vicinity. Local purchases can save you money on transportation costs and enable quicker transactions. Now that you've set your filters, the next step is to sort the listings by lowest price. By doing this, you have a quick overview of the most affordable vehicles that meet your criteria. This is particularly useful in a competitive market where deals can get snatched up quickly. Keep in mind to thoroughly review each listing, look at the photos carefully, scrutinize the vehicle's description, and note any mention of recent maintenance or repairs. Communication with the seller is key, so don't hesitate to ask questions about the car's history, any existing issues, or if they're open to offers. In conclusion, Facebook Marketplace is a powerful tool to help you find the perfect vehicles to grow your Turo rental business without breaking the bank. Utilize the search features, apply the right filters, and sort your findings wisely for the best outcome. By taking a strategic approach to your search, you'll be on your way to building a successful fleet that can bring in steady revenue. Happy car hunting!